Good morning, children. This is your English teacher here. We are going to learn articles today. In our previous class, we have learned about alphabet and its parts, that is vowels and consonants. Now let us learn about articles. So articles are of how many types? Can you guess, children? Here articles are of two types. What are those? They are a and an, a or an, and the. Now we'll learn where do we use a or an and the. So let us learn the use of a. It is usage of a, and mostly the word a we use before consonants. Mostly we use this for a singular noun. Noun, everyone knows, that is the naming property of any object is known as a noun. So here a is used before nouns. The word usually begins with consonants. For example, a boy, a car, a table, etc. Here not only these three, we have the other, that is a is used before the words which starts with consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, such words, excluding your vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Now we'll learn the use of an. Where do we use the word an? We have seen that the use of a, that we use it before the nouns which begins with consonants. So here there is a slight change. The word an we use same as before nouns, but here we use the words which begins with vowels. We use it before vowels. So what are the vowels? Vowels are 5. They are A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Remaining 21 were consonants. For that, if they are in singular noun, we use the word a. If we have the words which begin with consonants, vowels, then we use an. The examples are: first one, an aeroplane. If you have a single aeroplane over there, we say the word an aeroplane, not a aeroplane. That is an aeroplane. Then coming to the next one, that is an egg. An egg. It's not a egg. It is an egg. Next, an ice cream. An ice cream. Next, the next word is orange. An orange. The last one is an umbrella. So here you can see we have only 5 vowels. So the words are also 5. That is aeroplane, egg, ice cream, orange, umbrella. These are 5. Now we have learned about a and an. Now let us learn the use of the. Where do we use the word the? Here next, usage of the. The is used to refer particular noun. So here previously we have seen that a book, an aeroplane, an egg. Here to indicate one object. Here you don't know that the object is particular, means you are referring to a specific object. Whereas coming to the word the, you are sure that you are talking about a particular object or a particular noun. For example, the book, the mountain. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.